What is the damage these tariffs and all have done to you?
Industry will shift.
Shut up.
People are going out of job.
There is so much uncertainty that whether tariff is going to go higher, tariff is going to go down. We are 100 years behind China.
These machines are from where?
But all made in China.
Made in China. And why is Bangladesh so competitive?
90% Bangladesh has women.
I noticed that you don't. Why not? और इस लाइन पे काटना है तो पेड़ा काट दिया.
नरेंद्र मोदी के खिलाफ राहुल गांधी के नए वीडियो से भूचाल आ गया है. राहुल गांधी हरियाणा में एक गारमेंट फैक्ट्री में पहुंच गए और ये दिखाने लगे कि कैसे ट्रम्प के टैरिफ से टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री की लगी पड़ी है.
So what is the damage that these tariffs and all have done to you?
Two damages. First is orders have been on hold and the people are not releasing orders. Like American orders used to come suddenly 1 lakh meter, 2 lakh meter and they used to store. Right now everyone is working hand to mouth. They don't want to stock. They don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. There is so much uncertainty that whether tariff is going to go higher, tariff is going to go down. So no one is placing big quantities. They're all running hand to mouth.
Where are they buying from? Have they changed where they're buying from? Or that
No,
hasn't
it is
changed?
the same. People have negotiated. Prices have gone down. Bottom line, top line, everything is taking a hit for everyone. It is not us.
But ours is higher, right? We're at 50% right now.
Yeah, ours is very high.
What is Bangladesh?
It's around 18 or 19.
Okay, so they have an advantage in
They
this.
have an advantage.
And China?
China is same as us, but China was always cheaper by 20-25% than us.
राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि ट्रम्प के 50% टैरिफ और अनिश्चितता की वजह से भारत के टेक्सटाइल एक्सपोर्टर्स यानी जो कपड़ा बनाकर विदेशों में भेजते हैं उन सभी की कमर टूट चुकी है. नौकरियां जा रही हैं, फैक्ट्री बंद हो रही हैं, ऑर्डर आने रुक गए हैं. यही हमारी डेड इकोनॉमी की सच्चाई है.
China and us are same.
They
have a big advantage. Earlier the advantage was that China was higher than us.
What's the second problem?
Second problem is because of America going down, European, all the buyers have started going to Europe to get orders. So when they go to Europe, they are quoting lesser prices because earlier there were few people who were doing Europe. Now all the American people who are producing, they have gone to Europe and they are quoting them lower prices. The price competition has started. So everywhere it's taking a hit for us.
So now he's talking about 500% and he's...
No, the industry will shift.
Shut up.
So people are going out of job. There is no certainty for how the export is going to pan out for another 5 years down the line. So we don't know really.
राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि नरेंद्र मोदी न तो टैरिफ पर कोई राहत दे रहे हैं और न ही नरेंद्र मोदी टैरिफ पर कुछ बोलते हैं. 4.5 करोड़ लोगों की नौकरियां खतरे में पड़ी हैं. लाखों लोगों का व्यापार खतरे में है और इसके लिए पीएम मोदी जिम्मेदार हैं. राहुल गांधी ने ये बात उसी तरह से लिखी जैसे ट्रम्प लिखते हैं. राहुल गांधी के इस वीडियो पर लोग यूँ कह रहे हैं कि टेक्सटाइल मार्केट खत्म हो रहा है, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी पर मार पड़ रही है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट मार्केट बेहाल है, आईटी में ले ऑफ चल रहे हैं. अगर आईटी सेक्टर, बैंकिंग सेक्टर टूट गया तो फिर रियल एस्टेट पर भी मार पड़ेगी. मतलब अब कोई बचेगा नहीं.